everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a little while. I've been a bit busy, but I'm back with a bang. My goodness, you have no idea all the juicy positive information, the inspirational things, the money making moves that you and I will be making on this channel. So, here I am. My name is Julia, and this is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. Woo! So, today I just want to go straight to the point to talk to us about something, the world secret you should know. Come on, do you know that if your parents or your grandparents know that investing a small amount of money each week or every month for a period of time would make them wealthy, you will be so rich now. Like, you will be super, super wealthy. But nevertheless, they missed out on that information. Probably your parents missed out too. Now it is your responsibility to build wealth for yourself and for your future generations. You know what? Wealth is actually a result of practicing good financial habits over time. And in the next couple of videos, we're going to be talking about financial habits that helped me, things that helped me change my financial lifestyle, and then how to make money on the weekly basis in dollars. Come on, this is a channel you should be sending the link to your friends for them to click on the subscribe button. So do me a favor, it is free to do that. It doesn't take you anything. Just click and like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I promise you in the next 30 days you'll be seeing mind-blowing opportunities that you can sit in the comfort of your home and be making lots of money. So you see, generational wealth has to be intentional because I want you to have the life that you desire. And I also want you to be able to create a life for your children, that life you also desire for them. So you should never think that, oh, I don't know where to start. Now you have the right channel that is willing to give you all the information you need. So the question is, are you ready to build wealth for yourself? Are you ready to build wealth for your future generations? Think about it for a moment. Tick, 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 tick. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I think you should be ready in this new economy, in this whole situationship that our economy is in. You should be thinking of how to make some extra money in dollars just using your phone. And that's what I'm going to be talking about today. So, briefly, I want to mention something to you, something very important. Okay. So, there are a couple of things you should start doing first off. All right. So, the first thing you should do is surround yourself with people who discuss very important things. For example, this YouTube channel, we talk about how to make money, how to manage money, and how to multiply our money. This is the kind of channel you should be watching. This is the kind of channel you should be sending the links to your friends. Yes, even for your family members, all right? So think about people who discuss wealth building. Think about places where they discuss new goals. How do you set up a new goal? The year is almost ending. Were you able to achieve the ones you set? What? How did you make the mistake? Where did you miss out? Now is the best time to plan your next 2024. Okay, so start thinking of places where they are creating multiple streams of income. I told you here, I'll be showing you one simple way you can be making money every week. I teach you just opening your eyes to see certain things you've never thought about. Okay, just with your phone. I teach you how to invest in assets. I teach you also how to start up new businesses, like sharing some new business ideas that, or probably old ones that you have just never thought about. So, this is why I'm making a comeback, and I'll be so honored to have you go through this journey with me. I want you to change your financial journey. Finally, did you learn something today? I do hope you learned something fantastic. You know what? Click on the subscribe button if you have not, like this video, and please drop a comment. Did something resonate? Are you looking forward to seeing more videos from me? Drop it, and please, please, share this with your friends. I'll be super honored to have you go on your financial journey with us. There's so many good information coming right through, and I hope to see you in the next video. Look out for it. When you subscribe, you will be the first person, or you will be one of the first persons that will get the notification, and you will not miss a thing. My name is Julia, and I'll be signing out right now.